चलो तो guys, as I told you, potentiometer is very important. So we'll solve some more numericals based on potentiometer. बहुत ज्यादा chances होता है कि potentiometer से question आए, and I have seen guys struggling a lot in potentiometer. So that is why I have decided to solve some more numericals, to let you solve some more numericals in today's class related to potentiometer. So let us start our class with the question from potentiometer. Guys, try to get an answer for this. Let me see. Yes, Atharv. Let me see if I can launch a poll here. Yeah, I can launch a poll. Chalo, so there are tweaks, or there are some kind of tweaks also. Yeah, glitch hai iska, I think. Let's see if it is launched. Yeah. So poll has been launched successfully. So guys, please answer this question using the poll. And guys, I have like one more thing. Why did I select this class to be numerical solving session for potentiometer? Reason is, whatever book you're having, you'll not find that many questions which will be related to potentiometer. So thoda variation bhi chahiye hota hai. So that is why I have decided to have a numerical solving session on potentiometer. ठीक है? Try करो, मजा आएगा. Okay. 13 of you have already responded. Very good. That's a progress. Let us see how many of you can answer this. Gautam saying, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं options नहीं बताऊंगा. Guys, those who are not able to get the poll on their screen, they can use the chat section. They can answer. They can give their answer in the chat. Okay, गौतम, मेघना, समृद्धि, पूर्वी, सब लोगों ने एक ही ऑप्शन बोला है, सी. सबको मिर्ची लगी है. ओके, किशोर ने बोला डी, एंड खुशी, साक्षा. ओके, एवरीवन, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबॉडी सेइंग ऑप्शन सी. अच्छा, लेट अस सी. बहुत आसान है ना. पूजा, आर यू अटेंडिंग ऑल द क्लासेस रेगुलरली? पूजा मुनियाल फ्रॉम प्रेरणा. ओके, ठीक है. नो, आई डिडंट सी योर नेम इन द पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट. ऑलराइट, चलो बच्चा लोग, तो आंसर करें फिर. Should I answer this, or you need more time? ठीक है, मैं आंसर करता हूं. So 48 of you have said option C is the correct answer in the poll. Total 60 of you have responded. Out of 60, 48 of you have said option C is the answer. So let us solve and try to get the correct answer. See, a potentiometer wire has length 4 meter, resistance 8 ohm. The resistance that must be connected in series. I think this type of question I have solved yesterday at the end. One of you have asked me this kind of question. So the resistance that must be connected in series with the wire and the accumulator of EMF 2 volt, so as to get potential gradient as 1 millivolt per centimeter on the wire. ठीक है, तो देखिए सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. So let us draw. So this is the accumulator, a battery. ठीक है. What should be the resistance of this resistor, which should be connected in series with this, so that the potential gradient of this potentiometer wire is 1 millivolt per centimeter. Is 1 millivolt per centimeter. So let's say the green colored line is the length of the wire or potentiometer wire. ठीक है. So this is कितना बच्चा? चलो, what is the value of this? कितना है? 2 volt. This is 2 volt. What is the resistance of potentiometer wire? 8 ohm. So if you replace this with a resistance, you can replace this with a 8 ohm resistance. If you want to replace this wire with a resistor, you can replace this with a 8 ohm resistance. All right. So the potential gradient should be equal to, X should be equal to 1 millivolt per centimeter. 1 millivolt per centimeter. Per 1 centimeter, right? So if I try to convert this into SI unit, I can write 10 to the power minus 3 volt divided by 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So volt per meter. So what will be the answer, guys? 0.1 volt per meter. So the potential gradient has to be 0.1 volt per meter. All right. आगे देखते हैं फिर. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? तो वी नो दैट दिस x will be equal to, if I name this as point A, this is point B, I can write this x is equal to VA minus VB divided by length is, let's say, L to L. This will be equal to x. All right, चलो इसको उल्टा लिखते हैं. So this x will be VA minus VB divided by L. Now what is VA minus VB? I'll write I into resistance of this, I into resistance of this wire, that is 8, divided by what is the length? Length of the potentiometer wire is given to us as 4 meter, right? 4 meter. So I'll divide 4. And this must be equal to 0.1. This must be equal to 0.1. Now what is the value of I here? I can say that I will be written as 2 is the equivalent EMF of this particular circuit. So 2 divided by equivalent resistance will be R plus 8. This is 8 and this is R. R plus 8, they are connected in series. Into 8 by 4 must be equal to 0.1. So this will give us 2. So I can write this 0.1 as 1 by 10 also. All right, now solve this. So you'll get 40 is equal to R plus 8. So R will be equal to 32 ohm. So well done guys, बहुत बढ़िया, keep it up. So most of you, 80% of you have got the correct answer, and the answer is 32 ohm. That is option C. बहुत बढ़िया guys. So option C is the correct answer, 32 ohm. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Let me know if you have any doubt in this one. बच्चा लोग, let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Otherwise, click yes. ठीक है, बढ़ूं आगे? All right. So let us move on to next question. Now try to get the correct answer for this one. Let me launch the poll here. चलिए attempt करिए जल्दी से. A 6-volt battery of negligible internal resistance is connected across a uniform wire of length 1 meter. The positive terminal of another battery of EMF 4 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm is joined to the point A as shown in the figure. The ammeter shows 0 deflection when the jockey touches the wire at point C. The wire AC is equal to. So what is the balancing length? That has to be calculated here. Okay, 7 of you have responded. 7 लोगों ने आंसर कर दिया है. Very good. Okay, option A. गणेश तुम्हारा C है क्या? Okay, पहले का आंसर है. So most of you are going for option A only. Okay, देखते हैं. पक्का A? अच्छा. वन लाइन आंसर. बहुत बढ़िया, वन लाइन आंसर लग रहा है. दैट मीन्स प्रोग्रेस है. अच्छा लगा कि आप लोग को वन लाइन आंसर, एक लाइन में आंसर मिल रहा है. देन इट विल बी गुड फॉर मी. अच्छा लगेगा मुझे कि आप लोग को पोटेंशियोमीटर समझ में आ गया. चलो तो सॉल्व करें. ओनली 55 ऑफ यू हैव रिस्पॉन्डेड गाइस. देयर आर मोर देन 200 गाइस and only 50, 60, 65 of you have responded. What tough है क्या? Yesterday you guys only told कि this is very easy topic, sir. So normal circuit, right? Primary circuit आपका ये है. This is the primary circuit. This is the secondary circuit. See, when does this galvanometer or this ammeter shows no deflection? When this current will be 0. And when do you get that? When potential difference across AC will be equal to EMF of the battery. Right? So find out potential difference across AC. How will you find potential difference across AC? So that will be equal to potential gradient into length AC. And that will be equal to 4. That is it. How will you find the potential gradient? So potential difference per unit length. So what will be the potential difference across AB? Nothing is there but this 6 volt, right? No internal resistance is there. So the potential difference across AB is 6. Length of this is 1. So potential gradient will be 6 by 1. Okay, let me solve this. 82 of you have responded. Out of that, 68 of you have given option A as the correct answer. ठीक है, देखते हैं. Alright guys, I don't think this requires that kind of attention. Solve करते हैं. So I can write 4 is equal to x into length AC. ये AC निकालना है ना. What will be the value of potential gradient? See, 6 volt battery of negligible internal resistance. Here no resistance is there. Is connected across a uniform wire of length 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल को कनेक्ट किया, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, बस यही चीज दिया है और कुछ नहीं. इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ये वाला, ये इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. सो आई विल राइट दिस x विल बी रिटन एज 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इनटू AC will be 4. So AC will be equal to, एयर कंडीशनर है ना AC will be equal to 4 divided by 6. So 2 by 3 meter. Option A is the correct answer. I'm not going to ask you, do you have any doubt here? ठीक है, because बहुत आसान है, right? Now give me an answer for this one. ये मजा आएगा इसमें. देखते हैं कितने लोगों को करेक्ट आंसर आता है. Very very easy question. Poll has been launched and please respond to this. In the given potentiometer circuit, length of the wire AB is 3 meter. Resistance is capital R and that is equal to 4.5 ohm. So resistance of this pura wire is 4.5 ohm. Length AC for no deflection in galvanometer is. Find out the length of this wire when the deflection in galvanometer is 0. Try to get the answer, guys. All right, so 7 of you have responded within 40 seconds. That's good. देखते हैं. बाद में अथर्व, बाद में. अभी बच्चे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना क्वेश्चन, क्लास के बाद देख लेना. राइट, आई नो तुझे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. गाइस कम ऑन सॉल्व दिस. बहुत आसान है, बहुत ही बच्चों वाला सवाल. आई विल नॉट यूज इवन, आई डोंट हैव टू इवन यूज अ पेन टू सॉल्व दिस. मेरे को पेंसिल यूज करना है, तो पेन यूज क्यों करूंगा. टेल मी व्हाट इज द आंसर. सो 56 ऑफ यू हैव रिस्पोंडेड. 57. बहुत कम लोगों ने आंसर किया है. सबसे आसान, आज का सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन है ये. In the chat, no one has given the correct answer. Those who have responded in the chat, no one has given the correct answer. Yes, Pratish, I think you have got it. Pratish ने आंसर किया और उसका सिर्फ सही है. धानुष सही है तुम्हारा. सुहास का करेक्ट है. बसन गौड़ा करेक्ट. गौतम करेक्ट. I don't know whether you have got this or you are just guessing it. धानुष, बसन गौड़ा और प्रतीश और एक और किसी ने दिया था. किशोर, तुम्हारा भी आंसर सही है. तुक्का मार दिया. ओके, ठीक है धानुष, वेरी गुड. All right. If I'm not taking your name and you have answered in the chat, that means your answer is wrong. Very good, Pratish. You have got it. यही था और कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. अच्छा guys, how many fingers are there? I think Vikas Pew College will know this. How many fingers are there? Guys, how many fingers are there? Please look at this screen, webcam screen. कितना fingers है? हाँ, सब लोगों ने बोला है. तो सबको जब पता है तो आंसर सही से करो ना यार. If you know the answer for this, I think you should be able to get the answer for this question also. देखो बच्चा लोग, here this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. This is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. So will you ever get potential difference across this point and potential difference across this point equal? कभी भी मिलेगा क्या? This is having lower potential, this is having higher potential, but in this case this is having higher potential, this is having lower potential. You like slide this point C anywhere along this line AB, this galvanometer will never show no deflection. It will always show some kind of deflection. There will always some flow of current that will occur in the circuit, in the secondary circuit also. So galvanometer will never show zero deflection. So getting a balanced length AC is not possible here. So the correct answer for this is option D. So 24 of you have given the correct answer. मेरे गले को क्या हुआ, खा गया कोई? So 24 of you have given the correct answer. बाकी लोग का गलत हो गया. 99 of you have answered. Out of that, only 24 of you got the correct answer. Just don't look at the, क्योंकि कभी कभी होता है कि हाँ देखो 3 है, तो most of you must have done this. You must have found the x value for this. Then x into AC will be equal to 3. You must have done this. X into AC will be equal to 3. You'll find x. How do you find x? You'll find the current through this circuit. You'll multiply current with the resistance 4.5 and then you'll equate that with 3. But that will be पूरा का पूरा गलत. समझ में आ रहा है कि बच्चा लोग? Exactly, कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये क्वेश्चन सब गलत करके आओगे. धानुष क्या हुआ? If R is equal to x into AC, if AC is 0, then R will be 0. हाँ, तो ऐसा क्या बोल रहा हो? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. He's saying if AC will be 0, R will be 0. ठीक है, but no, you can't do like this. You can't actually यहाँ लगाए नहीं तो सर्किट कैसे बनेगा? ये पूरा सा सर्किट इसका हो जाएगा अलग से. That is different thing, right? So since they are what opposite polarity में है, you'll never get the potential difference across AC in primary circuit and potential difference across AC in secondary circuit equal. That will never be equal. ठीक है? If that is not possible, so no deflection condition will not be possible. All right? Your eyes should also work properly. Correct. Very good. So option D is the correct answer for this one. Chalo, now let us move on to next question. Try to get the correct answer for this one, guys. The length of a potentiometer wire is L. ठीक है? A cell of EMF, ये कौन है? किसने B ऑप्शन क्लिक किया 7 सेकंड के पहले? Within 7 seconds, one of you have answered. 2 of you have answered within 10 seconds. तीसरा कोई 5 लोगों ने आंसर किया. इधर यू आर भाई ब्लेड, या फिर आप हो सकता है कि इस दुनिया के ही नहीं हो, आप एलियन हो, कहीं से आपको पढ़ा के भेजा गया. Someone has already taught you and you are 1000 years Guys, please wait for a minute. I got disconnected from my Wi-Fi. I don't know why. I was wondering this will happen. I have been assured that you'll get continuous Wi-Fi. Now I have to rethink. It's not there. So let me. Yeah, like both of them are connected with the same Wi-Fi device, na? Wi-Fi is gone only, I think. तुम्हें फीलिंग दिला देगा, ठीक है? That is why I was not coming here. कुछ तो इशू होगा, मुझे पता था. Let us see if I get connected again. Atharv, you might get very good connection there. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Is my voice audible to you? Guys, can you hear me clearly or the voice is breaking? All right, ठीक है. So this time, now the poll will not work. कुछ तो issue होगा. So I think now you have to answer in the chat. Please answer this. Right. Thank God. देखो होता है कि नहीं. All clear. All right. ठीक है. बढ़िया. Come on, guys. Answer this. Few of you have given answer. Okay. ठीक है. कुछ लोगों ने answer दिया है. 2L/3, L/2, L/6 also. All right. This is not that tough question, guys. Okay. So most of you have given answer as B. Okay. प्रणव ने बोला 2L/3, भूमिका ने बोला, भूमिका, सानिया, सबने B. So most of you have given answer as option B. Let us see. Other, what happened, bacha? You raised your hand. Is everything all right? 2L/2, that means L. No, Vani, I don't think so. Option ही नहीं है ना. 2L/2 is option ही नहीं है. R will also increase. No, sir. R, which R? हाँ, क्या दिक्कत है? चलो आंसर करते हैं, ठीक है? Let us solve this. B को लॉक कर दें. चलो लॉक कर दिया. I think correct answer है. B is the correct answer. L/2 is the correct answer. So let us find out the correct answer. So see, the length of potentiometer wire is small l. A cell of EMF E is balanced at a length L/3. All right. So can I write here? E can be written as X into L/3. पहले तो ये लिख देंगे, ठीक है? Now second part. Now it is told, like it has been said to us, that if length of the wire is increased by L/2, now the length of wire is L/2. Sorry, let us say initial length was, if initial length is capital L. Now final length क्या है बच्चा लोग? It will be increased by L/2, तो it will be 3L/2. ठीक है? और small l ही रखो, कोई इशू नहीं इसमें. You can write small l. So 3 small L/2. Guys, did you understand this part? Increased by L/2. That means L plus L/2. That is 3L/2. So initially length L था, तो बताओ what was the value of X here? X was V divided by small l. If potential difference or if the EMF of the accumulator battery is V, then X will be V by L. Now tell me what will be the value of X. X will become some X dash. X dash क्या हो जाएगा? V divided by 3L/2. So 2V by 3L. ये होगा ना? बहुत बढ़िया. So in first case, E is equal to X into L/3. Second case में क्या होगा? Now the same EMF is there. Now you have to find what will be the नया length. At what distance will the same cell give a balance point? So देखिए, लिखेंगे E will be equal to X dash into some L dash. कुछ नया बैलेंसिंग लेंथ है, let's say balancing length is L dash, so X dash into L dash will be the E value. Now put the value of x dash here. X dash क्या मिलेगा? 2v by 3l into what is L dash? That has to be found out. तो ये लिखेंगे ऐसे. Guys, what is this value? बताइए. V by L को क्या लिख सकते हैं? How can you write this V by L? और can I? अच्छा, x dash यहाँ लिखा ना? ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं, V के फॉर्म में है. ओके, ये क्या हो गया? इधर है. या we need to get the value of L dash here. X कहां गया? What happened? मेघना, क्या हुआ बच्चा? कोई इशू है क्या? मेघना, नरेन, कोई इशू है? कोई प्रॉब्लम है? x1 x dash क्या हुआ? तुम लोगों ने कुछ लिखा है ऐसे. See, now I can write this 2v by 3l in terms of x आराम से. ठीक है? या v. अच्छा, तुमने आंसर किया है, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, इशू नहीं. See, यहीं से मैं लिख सकता हूं इसको. इफ आई कॉपी इट हियर, थोड़ा इसमें कॉपी करने दो मेरे को इधर. लेट मी कॉपी दिस. कट करते हैं इसको, इधर लिखते हैं. If I write this, tell me how can I write this x dash in terms of L? Can I write this is 2 by 3 into x? 2 by 3 into x. ठीक है? So I can directly write here 2 by 3 into x. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 3e by L. Now put the value. So e is equal to 2 by 3 into e divided by L into L dash. E का काम तमाम, 3 का काम तमाम. So L dash will be equal to L divided by 2. Got it guys? समझ में आया सबको? Initial length was let's say L. ठीक है? X will be V by L. Final length is let's say 3L by 2. X dash will become 2V by 3L. If I compare X dash and X, I'll get X dash will be equal to 2 by 3X. This is one of the relation. First relation, E was equal to X into L by 3. So X will be 3E by L. Finally, I can write directly E will be equal to X dash into L dash. Put all the values. We'll get L dash as L by 2 here. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, चलिए बहुत बढ़िया. अगला सवाल, इसका आंसर करो. 90 वोल्ट 10 वोल्ट, ये हो गया अक्यूमुलेटर का EMF. This is a resistor that has been connected here in series. Length of this potentiometer wire is 10 centimeter. All right. The resistance of pura potentiometer wire is 20 ohm. Don't consider the length, resistance of this part only. This 20 ohm is the resistance of potentiometer wire. Full potentiometer wire का resistance is 20 ohm. Find x. Find this length if P is a null point. What is the meaning of null point? We have studied this point, this term in meter bridge, right? So null point is the point where the galvanometer will show no deflection. The same. So this is the balancing length. So if you find this length, x will be equal to 10 minus L. So you have to find what is the value of this. Find out, subtract this from 10 centimeter, that will be the answer. Come on guys, give me an answer for this. Please answer karo. When do you have this kind of arrangement guys? If you recall yesterday class, tell me, when do you have this kind of arrangement? When do you have this kind of arrangement in potentiometer? Tell me. Yeah, while finding the internal resistance. And the second step क्या होता है? When you short circuit the battery with a known resistance. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Resistance box लगाते हैं, याद है? So when you short circuit this EMF, if this battery with a known resistance, then this circuit will look like this. All right? ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. तो कुछ लोगों ने आंसर किया. Venkatesh has answered, Pratish has answered, Ganesh has answered, but अलग आंसर है. Pratish and Venkatesh has got the same answer. Ganesh has got some different answers. Answer 25 by 3, 20 by 3. Guys, this is easy, na? Finding out this length is easy, right? कम ऑन गाइस, प्लीज अटेम्प्ट दिस, ठीक है? जितना दिमाग लगाना है लगा लो. ओके, केतकी, वेरी गुड प्रतीश. केतकी, बसवराज, सुहास, बसनगौड़ा, आदि, गौतम, इन लोगों ने आंसर किया. वेरी गुड. यस प्रतीश, दैट इज व्हाई आई थॉट ऑफ सॉल्विंग सम मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स इन पोटेंशियोमीटर. और तुम्हें छोटा करना है क्या करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को? फॉर जेई पर्सपेक्टिव, इफ आई गेट अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट इन जेई, अभी भी कम से कम 10 लेक्चर चाहिए होगा करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खत्म करने के लिए. मोहित 10. अच्छा, ये कुछ डिफरेंट है. मोहित, डोंट यू थिंक इफ योर आंसर इज 10, then this balancing length will be here somewhere? Mohit, you have given answer as 10. 10 का मतलब क्या है? X is 10, total is 10, so this P should be at the starting point. Are you sure that is your answer? Okay, so most of you have given 20 by 3 or 25 by 3. अच्छा, बसवराज ने बोला 5 by 3. Okay, किसी एक का ही सही है, और मुझे जहां तक लग रहा है सब लोगों का गलत है, सिर्फ एक दो लोगों का सही है. 25 by 3 बहुत लोगों ने बोला. लॉट ऑफ यू हैव गिवन 25 by 3. few of you have given 10 by 3 also. चिराग ने अभी क्वेश्चन मार्क पूछा, सर 10 by 3 क्वेश्चन मार्क. प्रदीप ने बोला 10 by 3. ओके, लेट अस सॉल्व. ठीक है, सॉल्व करते हैं. आई हैव गिवन यू इनफ टाइम टू सॉल्व दिस. पहला दिमाग लगाओ. हाउ डू वी गेट व्हाट इज दिस लेंथ? कैसे पता करते हैं? सो व्हेन देयर इज अ सेकेंडरी सर्किट लाइक दिस, how do you get what is the balancing length here? Simple सी बात है. The potential difference across these 2 points will be equal to potential difference across these 2 points will be equal to potential difference across these 2 points if P is the null point. All right. So let us consider the current in this circuit is I2. Current in this circuit is, let's say, I1. Tell me what will be the current here? I will be Laddu. Current here, I will be Laddu. So separate 2 loops will be formed. This is called as primary loop. This is called as secondary loop. Primary circuit or secondary circuit. दोनों को individually काम करो. Can I write when P is the null point? I can write I2 into 2 will be equal to potential gradient into, if this is A, then X into AP. Guys, do you agree with this part? अभी बता दो. Click yes if you have understood this part. I2 into 2 will be equal to X into AP. ठीक है, ये कल किया है हमने, right? No, 4 क्यों? 4, what is 4? इला, no other. Potential difference across these 2 points is I2 into 2 only, ना? That will be equal to X into AP length, right? ठीक है, कल ही हम लोगों ने किया था, right? So let us write this as when P is the null point, let me name it. This is A, this is P. Let me call this as M and this is N. So when P is the null point, we can say potential difference PD across AP will be equal to potential difference across MN. Now, how do you write potential difference across AP? बताओ चलो, how do you write potential difference across AP? That is nothing but potential gradient into length. That means AP will be equal to, how do you write potential difference? Because this is M and N, and between these 2 points there is one resistor. How do you write potential difference across a resistor? You find what is the current that is flowing through the resistor and then multiply it with the resistance. So if the current is I2 here, so I can write this as I2 into 2. I need to get the value of X. For that, I need to get the value of AP. To get the value of AP, there are 2 data, that are 2 informations that are required. One is X, other one is I2. So let us find out X and I2 one by one. So now I'm finding what is the value of x. Tell me guys, how do you find potential gradient here? कैसे निकालोगे? If these batteries are given to you, length is given to you, how do you find the potential gradient here? Find out what is the potential difference across, if this is B, find out what is potential difference across AB and divide it by the length. That is the potential gradient. How will you find what is potential difference across AB? Let us find out what is the current that is flowing through it. ठीक है, तो कितना करंट फ्लो कर रहा है? Let's say I1 is the current flowing through it. तो I1 into resistance of this wire, and what is that? 20. I1 current is I1 flowing through it. I1 into resistance of this 20 will be the potential difference across AB. So I can write X is equal to I1 into 20 divided by 10 centimeter. This is the value of X. Now let us find out what is the value of I1. Tell me guys, what is the value of I1 here? In this circuit, what is the value of I1? How will you get it? Equivalent EMF is 90. Equivalent resistance is 30. So what will be the answer? 90 divided by 10 plus 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So 90 divided by 10 plus 20 is the value of I into 20 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this will give us 3. यहाँ से ये दे देगा 2. So I'm going to get 6 divided by 100. Volt per meter is the X value. ठीक है बच्चा लोग, चलिए अब बात करते हैं I2 की. Tell me what will be the value of I2? Finding I2 value. How will you find this I2 guys? Tell me. Can I say this I2 will only flow in this secondary circuit? ऐसा करके simple circuit हो गया. What is the value of equivalent EMF here? 20. What is the value of R equivalent? 4. So what will be the value of I2 here? 20 divided by 2 plus 2, 4. कितना मिला? 5. So 5 ampere is the value of I2. It should be 600. Where बच्चा? Okay, yeah, 600. ठीक है. Correct. 10 to the power minus 2 है ना? Yeah, it will go to here. So 10 to the power 2 volt per meter. My bad. Thank you बच्चा. चलिए तो I2 का वैल्यू क्या मिला? 5 ampere. Once I'll get the value of I2, once I'll get the value of X. This is equation 1. Put the value of X and I2 in equation 1. So X into AP, X का वैल्यू कितना है? 600 into AP will be equal to I2 5 into 2. So AP will be equal to 10 divided by 600. This is meter, right? In 200 will be centimeters. ठीक है, तो कितना मिला ये? 5 by 3 centimeter. तो AP is 5 by 3 centimeter. Tell me what will be the value of X here? PV. PV has to be calculated, right? So PB is equal to 10 minus 5 by 3 centimeter. So correct answer is 30 minus 5 divided by 3. So not all of you, but very few of you have got this answer, 25 by 3. And one more thing, why did I solve this in a very elaborate manner? Reason, because you should know how to get the answer for this kind of question. And guys, don't consider this is a JE only, JE based question only. You can get the same question in your NEET exam also. Okay? Because this is the method to find out the internal resistance of the battery. And using that only, whatever the concept that you learn there, we have used only those things here. There's nothing extra. So this can be asked to you in NEET examination also. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. बच्चा लोग click yes if you have understood this. अगर किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ लो. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I have given this elaborate solution to you so that you can copy this down, and when you want to revise this, you should have some kind of reference. ठीक है? चलिए. तो कुछ इसी तरीके का एक और सवाल करते हैं. Now give me an answer for this one. इसको आंसर करो. Give me an answer for this question. Similar है बिल्कुल. तुषार, which part बच्चा? Which part? एक थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे. Only 1 8 volt battery has been connected here. और कुछ ये values थोड़े अलग हैं. Try to get the answer for this one. Vinayak, first tell me, do you want to take screenshot? Please be honest. Do you want to take screenshot? बोलो ना जल्दी. If you want to take screenshot, it's okay. मैं दिखा दूंगा. But don't say, sir, मेरे को last का step पढ़ा दो. और when I'll do that, you'll take the screenshot and then you'll not respond anything. I'll show that. Don't worry. First, let the other kids, other students, copy this down and solve this question. अच्छा, you're noting down. ठीक है. Guys, copy this question fast and get the answer for x. यहाँ देखो, यही x का वैल्यू पूछ रहा है. Here you don't have to subtract x from 10 meter. Here you have to find the value of x. This one. Find the balancing length only. चलिए, I hope you have drawn this diagram. देख लो, जल्दी से देख लो विनायक. विनायक, तुम्हें बताना पड़ेगा अगर हो गया तो. डन. नो अतर्व, मैंने तुम्हें नहीं किया बिकॉज तू बार बार करता है. इज नॉट फेयर. चलो, अगली बार पूछना, मैं तेरे लिए कहूंगा. गुड तुषार. Come on, please get me an answer for this. अतर्व, that this question was big ना, बड़ा था right? बहुत बड़ा 2 पेज में आंसर आया. So you should be copying it down along with this. तो उसमें और टाइम लगेगा. चलो, कुशल गौड़ा has answered 3/8. छोटा, 1 मिनट भी छोटा है क्या? Let us see. Possible है. 100 volt. This is 8 and 2. Might be possible. ठीक है अतर्व. सुहास ने आंसर किया 5/8. बसन गौड़ा has answered 20/8. गौतम 5/8. 5/8. गणेश ने आंसर किया सेम 5/8. बहुत लोग आंसर आ रहा है 5/8. That might be incorrect क्योंकि last time 20/3 was the majority और वो आंसर गलत हो गया. श्रेया, समृद्धि, प्रशांत, प्रतीश. ओके, रोहित बोल रहा है 50/80. इट्स 5/8 ओनली ना. ओके, प्रणव, अतर्व, वानी, सबका 5/8 आ रहा है. आर यू श्योर? Guys, should I solve this or you need more time? चलो सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है. So most of you have given us 5/8 only. Let us solve this question. कैसे निकालेंगे बच्चा लोग? देखो, here x क्या है? The length we are talking about. So how will you get this answer? Can I say if I name this point as this is O, this is P, if I name this is M, this is N, and this is let's say S, and this is T. So potential difference across OP must be equal to potential difference across MN must be equal to potential difference across ST for the balanced length, for balancing length or for null point at P. ठीक है. चलिए, तो लेट्स राइट दिस डाउन. In this case, I'll write potential gradient as V by L, और डायरेक्टली लिखता हूं मैं इसको इस तरीके से. So potential gradient, let me write this as V by L. V by L into, because x is here taken as length, so if I take x here na to confusion ho jayega, into x will be equal to, because this is what potential gradient into length will be the potential difference across OP. This must be equal to, I'll take any one of them, mn के क्रॉस लो या sp के क्रॉस लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So let me take this potential difference across mn. देखिए, अब करंट देखते हैं. How will I find this potential gradient here and how will I find this potential difference across mn? So there are two circuits. One of them is principal, like primary circuit. This one is the secondary circuit. When this will be balanced, when this will have no deflection, this will have one separate current, independent current. This will have one separate independent current. Let us consider this is current through this is I1 and current through this is I2. So यहाँ से current ऐसा कुछ आएगा I2. So again here we have to find I1 and I2. ठीक है? Once I'll get the value of I1, I can write the potential gradient as I1 into potential resistance of this is 20. So potential difference across the wire will be I1 into 20 divided by length, that is 10. ठीक है? So I can write this part as I1 into 20 divided by 10 into x is equal to, now we have find what is V across mn or V across nm, जो भी लिखना लिखिए. तो इसको आप nm भी लिख सकते हो, mn भी लिख सकते हो, nm. What will be the answer? I can write that as I2 into, कैसे लिखेंगे बताइए चलो. Let me ask you only, how will you write potential difference across nm? See, this is बड़ा potential ना, so this will be higher potential, this will be lower potential. That is why I'm doing this. How should I write the potential difference across nm, guys? Please give the answer. Can I say when I go from n to this point, potential will drop by how much? By I2 into 2. When again I'm going from here to here, again potential will drop by 2. So potential drop across n to m will be equal to 2I2 plus 2. So eventually we have to find what is the value of I1, what is the value of I2. Then we have to put the value here and get the value of x. चलिए, तो I1 I2 निकालते हैं. Tell me what is the value of I1, guys. In primary circuit, what will be the value of I1? This is very, very simple. Equivalent TMF is 10. R equivalent is 5 plus 20. That is 25. So 100 divided by 20 plus 5, that is 4 ampere. Achha. Tell me what will be the value of I2 here. There are two batteries. You can consider parallel combination of batteries. Second one is, the easiest one is to use Kirchhoff's voltage law here. If I use Kirchhoff's voltage law here, and if let's say consider this one only, this is the direction of motion for this. Can I say I'll use minus 8, let me write this, KVLN STNMS loop. And I can write this as minus 8 plus 2I2 plus 2I2 plus 2. ठीक है? ऐसा लिखेंगे ना हम लोग. Minus 8 rise, drop, then drop, plus 2 will be equal to 0. So what is the value of I2? So 4I2 will be equal to, I think correct है तुम्हारा प्रतीश, 4I2 is equal to 6. So I2 will be equal to 3 by 2 ampere. I got the value of I1, I got the value of I2. Substitute here in the equation 1. इसमें substitute करेंगे. I1 is 4. The 4 into 2 into x is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 plus 2. 2 to cancel. So I'm getting 8x is equal to 5. So x will be equal to 5 by 8. So correct answer for this question is 5 by 8 minutes. Congratulations guys. Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया. So I think everyone, कुछ एक लोगों को छोड़ को दो लोगों को छोड़ के, everybody has given the answer as 5 by 8. That's a very good sign. Everybody, I think, let me see if somebody else, कुछ किसी ने आंसर, हाँ कुशल का गड़बड़ हुआ था 3/8. So correct answer is what? 5/8. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. Tushar, you have said last time कि कुछ तो issue हुआ था. Did you understand this question? समझ में आया क्या? सबको तालियां. Yes, no. Very good. चलिए, now let us move on to next question. है क्या नया question? हाँ है. चलिए. Guys, this is 10 ohm. This one is 10 ohm. ये जो दिख नहीं रहा ना ऐसे, this is 10 ohm. This resistance is 10 ohm. Voice break कर रहा है. तब तक आप लोग अटेम्प्ट करो इसको. लेट मी फिगर आउट. Guys, now is it okay? अभी सही है क्या? अभी सही है. ठीक है. आई थिंक वाईफाई फिर से आ गया है. इट्स गुड. ओके गाइस, प्लीज आंसर दिस. हाँ बच्चा, बहुत पुराना फोन है. 3 years, 3 साल हो गया. तुमने वो देखा, तुमने ये नहीं क्वेश्चन नहीं देखा. ऑलराइट गाइस, प्लीज आंसर दिस. as I was saying, this resistance is 10 ohm. सबसे ऊपर में जो है ना, this one, this is 10 ohm. Please answer this. In the arrangement shown in the figure, when the switch S2 is open, the galvanometer shows no deflection for L is equal to capital L by 2. When the switch S2 is closed, the galvanometer shows no deflection for L is equal to 5 L by 12. The internal resistance small r of 6 volt. क्या हो रहा है? अरे यार, सब ठीक तो है ना? ऑल राइट. कुछ लोगों ने आंसर किया है. फ्यू ऑफ यू हैव आंसर्ड. अरे कुछ नहीं यार, पता नहीं क्या तो मस्ती कर रहा है ये वाईफाई मेरे साथ. खुद से कैंसिल हो गया. एनीवे, देखते हैं. So when this S2 is closed, this one is closed, the galvanometer shows no deflection. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई deflection नहीं होगा. कब? When small l is 5 L by 12. The internal resistance of 6 volt, what is the value of small r? That has to be calculated. And then the EMF E of the other battery. What is the EMF E of this battery? So you have to find the value of capital E, you have to find the value of small r. ठीक है? Try to get the answer. चलो बच्चों लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो. ओके, few of you have answered already. I think B. कुछ लोगों ने B बोला है. नो बच्चा, I don't think it is stuck. Stuck है क्या? थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो रहा, but I think it's manageable. So most of you have given answer as B. Very good. Keep it up. बहुत बढ़िया. Most of you have given answer as B. Everybody. 100%. पोल चाहिए क्या? Let me see if I can launch the poll. It's there. Poll is already there. Let me end the poll. And if I can, let me relaunch the poll. Poll is also there. अतर्व क्या रे मधुमक्खी बना दिया तूने बी को. Okay, solve करते हैं. ठीक है, let me solve this. See, when S2 is open, क्या बोला है देखो, when S2 is open, when this is open, can I say I don't have to worry about this part, 10 ohm resistance? कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now I'll having this one only, this part. So one circuit and the other one circuit. So can I write when S2 is open, when S2 is open, I will write 6 will be equal to E divided by L. ध्यान से देखना क्या लिख रहा हूं. E divided by L into balancing length. What is the balancing length बच्चा लोग? L by 2. ठीक है, L है ना, क्या लिखा मैंने? कैपिटल L, right? E by capital L. So here I'll into 2, that is 12 volt. Guys, did you understand this part? बच्चा लोग समझ में आया तो क्लिक यस, अदरवाइज बोलो अगर कोई परेशानी है तो. I'll try to explain it again. Guys, did you understand this part? एक किसी को नहीं. अच्छा, सबको समझ में आ गया? Very good. Actually किया क्या मैंने? This is the, see, when this is open, now you're having only this circuit. Galvanometer shows no deflection. So can I say potential gradient into balancing length must be equal to the EMF? अच्छा, few of you will think about this. Sir, you were talking about potentiometer where one battery is ऊपर में and galvanometer is connected downward. How does it matter if I reverse it? उल्टा करके करता हूं. तो प्लीज डोंट कंसिडर कि सर ये ऊपर वाला 6 हो गया, कैसे किया आपने. नहीं नहीं, किधर से हमने galvanometer कनेक्ट किया है. So this potential difference across this point will be equal to 6 EMF of the battery. All right, चलिए. So 6 will be equal to what is the potential gradient here? So in this is the primary circuit here. In this case, this is the primary circuit here. जो रेड से मैंने मार्क किया ना, this is the primary circuit here. So E divided by L. No resistor has been connected here. So potential difference across AB is E. Length of the wire is L. So I will write E divided by L is the potential gradient into balancing length. That is L by 2 given to us. So into L by 2 must be equal to EMF of this L. That is 6. So from here, I'll get the value of capital E as 12 volt. So option A and C will be discarded. What about small r? We know that when you short circuit the battery with a resistance R, that length, that balancing length will be L2. So can I say that L2 is 5L by 12 and L1 is L by 2? So the value of small r can be written as L1 minus L2 divided by L2 into capital R. What is the value of L1? L by 2. What is the value of L2? 5L by 12 divided by 5L by 12 into what is the value of capital R? Resistance connected is what? 10 ohm. So multiply 10 here. Solve this. क्या मिलेगा ऊपर में? LCM is 12. So 6 minus 5, that is 1, divided by 5 into 10 ohm. Answer is 2 ohm. So correct answer is 2 ohm and 12 volt. So option B is the correct answer. Well done, guys. Every one of you have got the correct answer. जिसने भी आंसर किया सबने सही किया था. Thank you, guys. बहुत बढ़िया. तालियां. Yes, प्रणव. तालियां. So बहुत बढ़िया. Keep it up, guys. चलो थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं. It should not be monotonous ना. तो पोटेंशियोमीटर से थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करते हैं गैल्वेनोमीटर और वोल्टमीटर की तरफ, मतलब एमीटर और वोल्टमीटर की तरफ. Now tell me the answer for this one. Basic circuit है. In this circuit shown, the resistance of voltmeter is 10,000 ohm and that of ammeter is 20 ohm. The ammeter reading is 0.1 ampere and voltmeter reading is 12 volt. What is the value of capital R? जल्दी से आंसर करो. You need the poll. Let me relaunch the poll. चलो poll मैंने लॉन्च कर दिया है. You can access the poll. You can answer this using the poll also. भाई साहब 5 सेकंड में इतने आंसर्स. Come on, guys, please answer this. In the circuit shown, the resistance of voltmeter is 10,000 ohm and that of the ammeter is 20 ohm. The ammeter reading is 0.1 ampere, voltmeter reading is 12 volt. Then capital R is equal to. $20 of you have responded. बाकी लोग? Ganesh, no bacha. Check your answer. It's very easy actually. Monisha, illa. Galat jawab. Pratish, wrong. Yes, Suhas. K. Chetan, Suhas, Prashant, सही है. Adi, incorrect. Kishore, incorrect. Jesina, incorrect. Khushi, Abhishek, correct. Sanjana, incorrect. Gautam, correct. Ganesh, correct. Kushal Gowda, galat hai. Shreya, incorrect. Rakshita, if you remove that question mark, then your answer is correct. Siddharth, Meghna, incorrect. So, 37 of you have responded on the poll. बाकी लोगों ने chat में किया है. So, correct answer is option D. 100 ohm resistance. Correct answer is option D. Rachna, yes. 100 ohm resistance. देखो ध्यान से. See, when the voltmeter reads, कितना बचा 12 volt. ये 12 volt. मतलब potential difference across these 2 points is 12 volt, right? अच्छा. What is the resistance of this? This is 20 ohm resistance. Tell me what will be the potential difference across this? The ammeter is reading 0.1 ampere current. That means potential difference across this is 20 or 0.1 into 20. That means 2 volt. Total potential difference is 12 volt. So potential difference across this must be 10 volt. So we know that V is equal to IR. So 10 will be equal to 0.1 is the current, R is R. R will be equal to 10 divided by 0.1. That means 100 ohm resistance. Option D. Guys, click yes if you have understood this. बच्चा लोग click yes if you have understood this. फिर से तालियां. सबका गलत था. सिर्फ 2-3 लोगों ने आंसर किया है. इस बार तालियां नहीं मिलेगा. इसका आंसर करो. अच्छा, जिन्होंने ठीक है. ये कौन वेव ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं हाथ? आंसर करो जल्दी से. गैल्वेनोमीटर का क्वेश्चन आया. जल्दी से आंसर करो. A galvanometer coil has a resistance 90 ohm, full scale deflection current 10 milliampere. A 910 ohm resistance is connected in series with the galvanometer to make a voltmeter. If the least count of the voltmeter is 0.1 volt, the number of divisions on its scale is. Okay, poll चाहिए क्या? Let me launch the poll. ले कर दिया लॉन्च मैंने पोल. बनाओ नेता अपना तुम. कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? सिद्धार्थ, मोहित, सुहास. अच्छा, सिद्धार्थ मोहित ने बी बोला, सुहास ने सी बोला, रचना सी, गणेश डी. देखते हैं क्या करेक्ट आंसर है. You know the meaning of least count, right? What is the meaning of least count? The minimum measurement that can be done accurately. So, सबसे छोटा डिवीजन जो होता है ना, सबसे छोटा डिवीजन का जो लेंथ है, जो मेजरमेंट है, उसको लीस्ट काउंट कहते हैं. इफ यू आर हैविंग ए 15 सेंटीमीटर स्केल, तो सेंटीमीटर स्केल में 1 millimeter is the length of one small division, the smallest division. That is 1 millimeter will be the least count of that 15 centimeter scale. अच्छा, सिद्धार्थ is saying A or none of these. ये कैसा आंसर है? चलो आंसर करता हूं मैं, ठीक है. सो एक गैल्वेनोमीटर कॉइल है जिसका रेसिस्टेंस 90 ओम है, एंड फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन करंट इज 10 मिली एम्पियर. दैट मींस कि द पूरा रीडिंग जो होगा वो कितना होगा? 10 मिली एम्पियर का होगा. नाउ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू वोल्टमीटर, बट द वोल्टमीटर इज हैविंग अ लीस्ट काउंट ऑफ 0.1 वोल्ट. मतलब इफ यू आर हैविंग अ वोल्टमीटर, ऐसा करके वोल्टमीटर बनाया, मतलब between the distance or the divisions for smallest division will have 0.1 volt reading. इसको मैं नीचे करूं, ये क्या हो रहा है? Let me draw it नीचे. So this is 0.1 volt. You have to find what will be the number of divisions on the voltmeter. Can I say, to get that I should know what is the maximum reading that this voltmeter can measure? So actually we need to find maximum reading on the voltmeter. Acha, why am I saying I need to get the maximum reading? Because if I'll get maximum reading, let's say that is a V volt, then I will say number of divisions will be equal to V divided by value of one division, right? So total maximum reading is, let's say, capital V. So maximum reading divided by value of one division will give you the number of division. What is this called, bachalo? What is the maximum reading on voltmeter called? That is called as the range of the voltmeter. याद है सबको? That is also called as the range from 0 to V. So this is the range. So you have to find the value of V here. कैसे निकालते हैं? Draw that diagram here. You will have a galvanometer, one large resistance connected across it. So this will have, let's say, resistance R. And if the voltmeter is having a range of capital V, this will have current IG, full deflection current. So from here I write IG into R plus G will be equal to V. So V will be equal to IG into R plus E. Put all the values. So V can be written as I kitna hai? 10 milliampere, right? So 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into R is what? 910. And G is what? 90. So correct answer will be 1000 into, तो ये मिल जाएगा आपको 10 volt. 10 ही मिला ना? So the value of V is what? 10 volt. If you get the value of V as 10 volt, can I say number of division will be equal to V divided by value of one division is nothing but the least count. So 10 divided by 0.1, that is 100. So what is the correct answer? Option C. ठीक है, 30 of you have got the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer for this one. Very good बच्चा. Guys, do you have any doubt in this one? थोड़ा सा different है, but concept wise same ही है. आपको ये formula पता होना ही चाहिए. You should know how this is being calculated here. Okay, अतः we saying final step. वही लिखा ना मैंने बच्चा, देखो number of division कितना है, तो what is the total reading that it can have divided by value of one division. What is the value of one division? Value of the smallest one division, that is called as least count. सबसे छोटा measurement क्या कर पाओगे? तो यही ना, one division का value कितना है? 0.1. See, if you are having, let's say, 10 divisions, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 0.1 into 10 is the total value, maximum reading that you can have. So maximum reading divided by 0.1 is 10. You'll get the number of division in that way. ठीक है अतर? Very good. चलिए इसका आंसर करिए. In a galvanometer, the deflection becomes 1/2 when the galvanometer is shunted by a 20 ohm resistor. The galvanometer resistance is, what will be the galvanometer resistance? What is the value of capital G? You have to find. ओके, प्रतीश ने आंसर किया है, देखते हैं बच्चा। ये तो बहुत आसान है। If you just look at this circuit only, with the help of circuit you can answer it. What is the value of capital G? Yes, Bhumika, Chirag, Ganesh. Exactly, Pratish, वैसा ही है। मोहित, सबके आंसर्स एक ही हैं, डी करेक्ट है, नो प्रॉब्लम। देख लो कैसे। See, let us say the maximum current is flowing through it is IG और I, तो हाफ इधर जाएगा, हाफ इधर जाएगा। बिकॉज देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला, इन गैल्वेनोमीटर द डिफ्लेक्शन बिकम्स 1/2 व्हेन गैल्वेनोमीटर इज शंटेड बाय 20। मतलब 20 से अगर शंट किया, देन द गैल्वेनोमीटर विल शो हाफ डिफ्लेक्शन। दैट मींस टोटल करंट का हाफ इधर से पास करेगा। ऑलराइट, सो कैन आई राइट दिस एज I by 2 into G will be equal to I by 2 into 20. So ये कैंसिल हो गया। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। गाइज समझ में आया सबको? Guys, do you want to solve more numericals related to potentiometer? I think you understood that particular thing आराम से, अच्छे से। Now, do you have any doubt in potentiometer or galvanometer, ammeter, voltmeter, electrical devices में? If you have any doubt, please write that in the chat. चलो, तो कल हम लोग शुरू करेंगे। Tomorrow we'll study color coding of carbon resistors, and then we'll study temperature dependence, जिसमें हम लोग temperature coefficients वगैरह पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? And I'll teach you one mnemonics also, how to remember that color coding. एक तो आपको यहां दिख जाएगा, कल बताऊंगा मैं। एंड द अदर वन इज लाइक बीबी रॉय वाला। और एक दूसरा जो है वो मैं पढ़ूंगा नहीं, आप खुद पढ़ लो। दिस वन, आई थिंक यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड मोर इन दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, सो आई थिंक दिस विल बी रिमेंबर्ड, दिस यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस पार्ट आराम से। सो फॉर दिस ब्लैक के लिए, ब्राउन के लिए, एक देखो कैपिटल, उसका पहला लेटर ले लो, बी का इधर ये ले लो, बी का ये ले लो, आर से रेस, over का O orange. Yes, Ganesh, you can also use that. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. You can use that. इसको भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं। तो पहला लेटर जो है ना, वो सब यहाँ पे कोई छूटता नहीं है। एवरी लेटर का पहला वर्ड जो है वो आप यूज कर सकते हो। इन B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife, उसमें O ऑफ का O नहीं यूज करते हैं, हैज का H यूज नहीं करते हैं। यहाँ पे सब यूज हो जाता है। बी भी यूज हो गया, यहाँ बी, आर, ओ, यंग का वाई, जी सब यूज हो गया। सो इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस इज द न्यूमोनिक्स फॉर रिमेंबरिंग, फॉर मेमोराइजिंग द कलर्स। ऑलराइट, सो कल हम लोग इसको और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। विल सॉल्व सम न्यूमेरिकल्स आल्सो। ऑलराइट, या टुमारो यू हैव फिजिक्स क्लास। सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग द क्लास। लेट अस मीट टुमारो। स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, गुड नाइट, enjoy my day, bye bye, take care।